Hi guys, it's Andrew from CryptoCoinDude.com. In today's video, I'm going to give a beginner's introduction to an exchange which I'm currently using, that being CoinMetro. This video will cover the following areas. Firstly, I'll give you a general overview of the exchange. Secondly, a couple of reasons you may want to use it. Thirdly, we'll look around the exchange and I'll show you how to make a simple trade. Then we'll look at some of the extra features on the exchange. Finally, we'll wrap it up. As a disclaimer, this video is my opinion and not financial advice. Let's get into it. CoinMetro's general overview. CoinMetro is an exchange that provides both a trading platform for beginners and experienced traders to trade crypto. One important aspect of CoinMetro is that it's a fully regulated exchange. What does this mean exactly? There are two important facts. Firstly, it's licensed to provide virtual wallet services. Secondly, it's licensed to provide fiat to virtual currency exchange services. For me, the future of crypto is going to be heavily regulated. Crypto exchange exit scams are being cracked down upon, and rightly so. Therefore, putting safety first is one of the best ways to protect your cryptocurrencies. If you're looking for a future-proof exchange in an increasingly regulated industry and a safe place to trade, then CoinMetro may be the one for you. Why may a beginner trader want to use CoinMetro? CoinMetro has been designed from the ground up for both beginners and advanced traders. Everyone's covered. This is achieved by using different user interfaces. And when we have a look around the exchange later, you'll get a good feel for it. Additionally, there's 24/7 online support, accessed via the pop-up here. Sometimes I think no matter what you do on the web, sooner or later, best will in the world, you'll hit problems fact. Last time I had a problem on Coinbase, it took me 3 weeks to get a response. CoinMetro's response time is under 5 minutes, which is a great feature for beginners. Let's take a walk around the exchange. I've already created an account, so my details are saved. It's worth noting that KYC, or Know Your Customer, is robust on CoinMetro. ID documents, proof of address, you'll need these things, so it's not the best exchange if you want to remain anonymous. Currently, the exchange looks like this, but new features are continuously being deployed. For today's beginner's guide, let's have a look at the simple exchange. Let's say we want to buy some cryptocurrencies. It's easy. Click the buy button, choose a crypto you want to buy. Let's buy some Litecoin or LTC. Let's buy 10, and here's the dollar value displayed beside it. What this is telling me is I need to fund my account. So let's go put some currency in our account to get buying. On this page, we can set up to pay via IBAN or SEPA. This information you'll find by logging into your online bank account and using the search box to find the information. Every bank is different, but it's not too hard with a little bit of investigation. You'll then be able to make payments into your account. My favourite way is depositing by Visa. Make a payment with your card, fund your account, then go back to the buy page. Follow the previous steps and you'll be good to go. At some point, you'll want to sell your crypto. Again, using the simple platform, it's easy. Click I'd like to sell. Let's sell some Bitcoin. Enter the amount or use the slider. Let's go for 100%. Let's get paid in euro. Press confirm and that's it. To withdraw currently, you can do this via IBAN, SEPA, or send crypto somewhere else, and you can cash out, like Coinbase. For more advanced users, there are different ways, which I'll cover in a separate video in more detail. Other areas of interest on the platform include the Ambassadors area and the Crypto Academy. In the Ambassadors area, you can see where I've been signing up new members to the exchange. If you want to promote CoinMetro and help the growth of the community and get paid for it, this is for you. As you can see, there's lots going on. So this is a good way to make passive income by receiving XCM, which is the native token of the exchange. You'll get affiliate earnings for the people you sign up and the people they sign up also, so it's worth a look. The Crypto Academy is a free resource to hone your trading skills. Again, this is totally free and is designed for you to confidently trade on the platform and make money. And that's my beginner's guide to CoinMetro. To wrap it up, if you're looking for an exchange where you can access both beginner and advanced trading tools, have 24/7 support, have the comfort of a regulated platform and have access to free traded development tools, then CoinMetro may be a good place. If you want to find out more, feel free to follow the link in the video description. Thanks for watching the video.